Hey guys, I just wanted to show you my chickens. I have quite a mixed flock of chickens. There's my lavender Americana rooster. The one to his right, or my right, is an olive egger. And these are some of the offspring that I made, that I hatched out. We've got some Marans mixed with him. We've got some Leghorn crossed with him. They should be pretty interesting. Now, if I was to breed any of those black ones back to him, they would create 50% black chickens and 50% lavender chickens. So they're a lavender split. Pretty cool. Yeah, and that's all of them. Oh, somebody got scared. We just integrated these smaller ones in about a week ago, so they're still getting chased around and learning the pecking order. They're on the low end, of course, right now. But they should get along fine eventually. Yeah, they're learning. Got a lot of mean chickens. Established chickens. Yep, those are my chickens. Love.